Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News on Fox 14. Joining us in the studio today is Jennifer Mounty. She's here to talk about adopting a cat to the right home. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
You've got something really cool that you're working on. So what exactly have you got going on?
I do. We're going to be opening the Literary Cat Company, hopefully by the end of June, fingers crossed. What we're doing is it's going to be a bookstore. We're partnering with Paw Prints on the Heartland. If you're not familiar with Paw Prints, they provide low-cost spay and neuter services for dogs and cats in the Southeast Kansas community.
All right. So how did you get into this partnership with them? What made them the choice?
I found out about them while working at an animal hospital, and I found out what an amazing organization they are. They're just completely dedicated to controlling the homeless cat population, especially dogs also. And I was just super excited to work with such a hardworking, dedicated organization that wanted to help our community.
So, and that's excellent because, as you mentioned, there are a lot of homeless pets out there. Some folks don't realize just how many there are until you're kind of wandering around the neighborhood sometimes.
Exactly.
So this is going to be very important, very beneficial. And speaking of, I mean, obviously, quite a few homeless pets out there. About how many cats are you expecting to have on hand at any time?
I will be able to house 10 at a time, up to 10. And they will live with me at the facility. And they will be available for adoption for anyone who comes in and applies.
Excellent, excellent. And it's a great way to get to meet and interact with the kitties at first too. And everybody likes having a lap cat while you're reading.
Of course.
It's always a great time. So where exactly are these cats come from? Because I know you mentioned Paw Prints on the Heartland, but where does this all come from?
So Paw Prints also runs the TNR organization, Trap, Neuter, Release. Where we try to control the feral cat population. And as you can imagine, a lot of times our TNR trappers or the volunteers will come across cats that are not feral. They just need a home after they've been fixed. So that's how that's going to come around.
Excellent, excellent. So you say you're wanting to open by the end of this month. If everything goes right, where are you going to be located? Where can people find you?
915 North Broadway in Pittsburgh, right next to the brand new corner patio.
All right, so a great opportunity to be able to read, get a book, and maybe even bring home a new furry friend as well. So, well, thank you so much for coming in this morning. Really appreciate it. And of course, if for any reason you missed any of that, don't worry. We're going to have it on our website at koamnewsnow.com. We'll be right back after this.